Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M6 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. Simply for checking you can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, but if you'll decide to download the update, I highly recommend switching to the Wi-Fi. So let's start by entering the settings, and now all we have to do is to tap on About Phone. Now let's simply tap on the Xiaomi HyperOS, and now your device will check for the updates. Basically, you can meet two different scenarios. This is the first one where your software is up to date and there's nothing to download. And the second one is where your device will actually find the update. It will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on download or install and apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.